ATF601 Plus. Preheating new oil, precise filling, and thorough extraction of old oil, a professional transmission cleaner and fluid exchanger. Equipped with multiple specialized connectors for compatibility with vehicles from various countries. New oil preheating. Heats new oil to ensure optimal oil change results. Used oil sampling. Automatically collects used oil from the transmission. Detergent addition. Circulating flush. Automatically performs circulating flushes on automatic transmissions. Transmission oil replacement. Automatically identifies transmission inlet, outlet ports for high precision, equal volume automatic transmission fluid replacement. Transmission fluid level adjustment. Customize fluid volume by adding or draining specified amounts. Oil suction adjustment. Perform quantitative or custom suction operations on the transmission. Old oil tank drainage. Automatically drain transmission fluid from the old oil tank. Massive vehicle model database. Features an extensive vehicle database, eliminating the need for manual oil volume settings. Includes oil temperature display and oil filter replacement reminders. Remote control. Connects to SmartSafe ST13 tablet for remote operation management.